Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to prepare a very creamy egg masala. Okay, it can be had with dosa or ghee rice or roti, anything like that. So let's begin the video. Now in a vessel I've added water, boiled it, added the eggs and I have boiled it for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn off the flame and deshell the eggs. Now in a pan on low flame I'm adding in some oil. Once the oil becomes hot, I'm going to add in chopped onions. Turn the flame to medium here. Add in some salt. Mix well and cook till the onions have turned light brown. Once the onions have turned light brown, I'm going to add in chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Also breaking in few dry red chilies. You can add more red chilies according to your taste preference. Saute this for about 2 minutes. Add oil if required. After 2 minutes, add in finely chopped tomatoes. Add in some salt. Give it a quick mix. And we will cover this and cook on low to medium flame till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. So here you can see, as I'm going to mash it with the ladle, you can see how mushy the tomatoes are. We need this kind of consistency. Now add in some water, just half submerge, that's all. Halfway submerge of all these ingredients. Mix in well, again cover and cook. Now as it's boiling, it's boiled for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm checking this. When I do like this, there's lot of liquid again coming. That means it still needs to cook more. Again cover and cook this for about 7 minutes till all the water or majority of the water is evaporated. Okay, so after some more time, now you can see when I do that with the ladle, there is less liquid there. So this is the time where you turn off the flame, allow this to cool down completely. Follow these tips and tricks, it will come perfectly. Once that mixture is cooled down completely, blend it to a fine paste. Now in the same pan, I'm adding in some oil. On low flame, I'm adding in some turmeric powder, red chili powder. We are going to fry the eggs now. Now just saute for 2 seconds. Now I had deshelled the eggs. Now add these eggs directly into this hot oil. Let the flame be low to medium here and fry this for about 2 minutes. We have to ensure that the outer surface of the eggs are turned slight crispy. That is when we remove them from the oil and keep them aside. Don't turn off the flame. Keep the flame as low. Add in some more oil to the same pan. Now I'm going to add in these masalas: bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves and crushed cardamom. Allow them to splutter for a minute. Saute once and now turn the flame to low completely and add in the blended paste. Give it a quick stir. See how creamy it looks. Now add some water into the mixie jar Shake well and then add that water into this. As well, add in some coriander powder and rubbing in some kasuri methi between my palms. I'm adding that also in. Adding in some cumin powder, garam masala powder, and about 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder, chaat masala powder, and the boiled eggs along with those, the red chili powder and turmeric paste, and we give this a good mix. Add water enough for the gravy consistency, like more gravy, more water, less gravy, less water, like that. Okay, now cover and cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now as you can see, this has boiled for 10 to 15 minutes. The eggs are perfectly taken in all the masalas, and this is how the consistency should look like. Not too thick, not too thin. This is when you turn off the flame and it is ready to be served. So as I said, you can have this with ghee rice or dosa or even idli and even roti, chapati or even white rice. So it's super tasty, creamy egg masala. As I said, you can add more dry red chilies initially as per your taste. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please go try out this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.